Guys, gawa tayo ng pampichat snack yan guys. Yung flatbread. Tawag po dyan na sepuri. Saka may halong palaman nito potato mass. Itong nilagay natin na tamarind chutney, sweet chutney, coriander sauce. Tapos yan, tawag yan yogurt. Dahil po yan. Tapos natin noodles. Said noodles yan guys.